Hello everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Ava level from the Venus CTF game, otherwise known as level number 50, from HackMyVenus.eu. So we're logged in, and the first thing we like to do is we like to read the mission.txt file to see what we need to do in this level. So it says, Mission 50, the password of Maria is somewhere. That is vague as heck. The password of Maria is somewhere. So we know that we need to target the Maria user, and we know that the password is somewhere. Let's talk a little bit more about this. Okay, so this is HackMyVM Venus, level 50, the Ava level. So the mission has us targeting the Maria user, and we're told to look somewhere. This is a complete wild goose chase. So the reality of this level is that you have to scour the entire server as every different user account to find something that could be the password for the Maria user, and there are no clues. I mean, there might be clues on the server that could point us in the right direction, but I haven't been able to find them. So in the end, the answer to this particular level is password reuse, but not the actual password, but the encrypted password from a previous user. So there's a user named Adela, I think it's level number 40 from this game, and in that level, what we needed to do was we need to interpret these Morse code, this encrypted Morse code over here. But we're not actually using the decrypted Morse code. We're using the literal string over here, and it's kind of ridiculous. We have to use the ASCII Morse code string. So let me demonstrate that. So this is level number 40, the Adela user. We'll log off. Whoops. And then we'll access Adela. So I'll log in as the Adela user. So in this level, you needed to translate the Morse code. So this is actually the password for the Maria user, which is the last level. Well, there's no actual Maria level. All you get when you enter that level is congratulations, you finished the game. So if we copy this, and then we get out of here, and we try to access the Maria user, which is our target user, and then we paste in the password, well, the Morse code string, this logs us in. So we're logged in, and to prove that we finished this, we'll read mission.txt. And all it says is, congratulations. So there's no actual mission 51. This is the end of the game. So in the end, it's just a big wild goose chase. What you'd need to do to finish this level in the legit way would be to get every string from every user account that you have access to, and then brute force it. Just brute force the answer. But anyways, that's the end of the game. All right, everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Ava level, otherwise known as level number 50, from the HackMyVM Venus game over at HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video, and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button, and if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.